Hi everyone, Gary Sinise here to tell you a little bit about the Gary Sinise Foundation and our R.I.S.E program, which stands for Restoring Independence, Supporting Empowerment. Since 2012, the R.I.S.E program has been building mortgage-free, specially adapted smart technology homes for our nation's most severely wounded veterans and first responders. Many of these heroes have experienced catastrophic, life-changing injuries that limit their physical abilities, but Real American Hardwood products are helping to improve their daily lives. Through the support of the hardwood industry, we're able to build R.I.S.E homes using Real American Hardwood floors, cabinets, moldings, furniture, and even fireplace mantels. These products are not only beautiful, they are healthy, durable, and able to withstand the abuses of prosthetics and mobility devices. Thank you, Real American Hardwood, for helping us build homes for our real American heroes. God bless.